Imagine losing a chunk of your Social Security benefits just because you worked in a public pension system. Well, that's about to change, and here's how it affects you. On January 5th, 2025, the Social Security Fairness Act, H.R. 82, was signed into law, aiming to eliminate the reductions in Social Security benefits for individuals who also receive public pensions from non-Social Security covered work. In this video, we'll break down what this means for nearly 3 million people and how it could lead to higher benefits for many. We'll also explain how you can take action right now to stay updated and even receive retroactive payments. Stay with us until the end to get all the essential details, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Financial Area, for more updates on crucial financial matters. The Social Security Fairness Act, signed into law on January 5th, 2025, marks a significant step in addressing long-standing concerns about the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO. These provisions have historically reduced the Social Security benefits of individuals who also receive public pensions from jobs not covered by Social Security. For many public employees such as teachers, police officers, and other government workers, this meant that their hard-earned Social Security benefits were dramatically cut or eliminated, even though they paid into the system for years. The Social Security Fairness Act directly targets these issues, aiming to eliminate the penalties imposed by WEP and GPO. This change means that individuals who were unfairly penalized due to receiving a public pension will no longer face reductions in their Social Security benefits, which could lead to a significant increase in their monthly payouts. This new law is a major win for public employees who have been affected by these provisions, and it could potentially lift the financial burdens of thousands of individuals who've seen their Social Security checks drastically reduced. For example, teachers who worked in states where pensions are not tied to Social Security have long struggled with a diminished Social Security benefit, despite years of contributing to the system through other employment. With the Fairness Act now in place, they and others in similar situations may see an increase in the amount they receive. However, it's important to note that while this law is a victory, it doesn't instantly resolve all challenges. There are still many steps involved in putting this law into action, including recalculating benefits for the millions who are impacted. The Social Security Administration, SSA, is now tasked with evaluating how to implement the changes brought about by the Social Security Fairness Act. This is a massive undertaking, as the SSA must recalibrate benefits for nearly 3 million individuals who are affected by the law. The process is not as simple as adjusting a few numbers. It requires a careful review of each individual's work history, public pension earnings, and Social Security contributions. Since the changes will impact people who were previously subjected to the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, or the Government Pension Offset, GPO, the SSA must ensure that each case is correctly handled, which means going through a large number of records and making necessary adjustments. This is no small task, and the volume of affected individuals means it could take some time for the SSA to fully implement the new rules. The recalibration of benefits is not just about issuing new checks, but also about ensuring fairness in how each person's benefits are calculated. For example, individuals who were unfairly penalized by WEP or GPO will need their benefits recalculated based on the new law, which could involve adjustments dating back several years. As the SSA works through this, it will need to reevaluate the benefit amounts for affected individuals and ensure that they receive the correct payments. This complex task may involve cross-referencing data from multiple sources, including employment records and pension systems, to determine how much each person is truly owed. The challenge here lies in the accuracy of these adjustments and the time it will take to finalize them, especially given the large number of people involved. While the process may seem straightforward, the logistics of adjusting benefits for such a large group of individuals make it a formidable challenge. The SSA has indicated that it may take some time to fully assess the situation and implement the necessary changes. This could leave many beneficiaries waiting for an extended period before receiving the corrected payments. Additionally, the SSA has yet to provide a definitive timeline for when all the recalculations will be completed, which adds an element of uncertainty for those waiting to see how much their benefits will increase. Therefore, while the law promises much-needed relief, the implementation phase is expected to take several months, if not longer, to fully come to fruition. As part of the Social Security Fairness Act, retroactive payments will be issued to those affected by the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO, starting from January 2024. This means that individuals who have seen reductions in their Social Security benefits due to these provisions will receive lump sum payments to make up for the difference. These payments are designed to compensate for the months or even years of benefits that were unfairly reduced before the new law came into effect. While this is a major win for many, the exact timeline for when these retroactive payments will be issued remains uncertain. The Social Security Administration is still working through the complexities of recalculating benefits for millions of individuals, and only once the recalculations are complete will the SSA be able to distribute the lump sum payments. To streamline this process and ensure individuals can receive timely updates, the SSA is encouraging people to set up or update their RMI Social Security accounts. This online account is the most efficient way to access the latest information on one's Social Security benefits, including retroactive payments and recalculations. By logging into their accounts, beneficiaries can check for updates, see their benefit status, and track any pending payments. Creating or updating a My Social Security account also allows individuals to avoid waiting in long queues for phone assistance, which could be particularly overwhelming given the scale of changes brought about by the new law. The SSA's website provides a user-friendly platform where people can access their personalized benefit information and stay informed throughout the implementation process. For those who have yet to create an online account, now is the perfect time to do so. With the law's implementation underway, staying proactive by signing up for a My Social Security account ensures that individuals are among the first to be notified when their benefits are recalculated or retroactive payments are issued. The digital approach not only saves time but also gives people a direct line of communication with the SSA as the recalculation process progresses. As the SSA works to roll out these updates, having an account means beneficiaries can quickly adapt to any changes and stay on top of their Social Security matters. This online resource is becoming increasingly vital, especially with such significant shifts in Social Security policy. The Social Security Fairness Act offers much-needed relief for millions of individuals who have been unfairly impacted by the Windfall Elimination Provision and Government Pension Offset, potentially increasing their Social Security benefits and providing retroactive payments dating back to January 2024. While the process of recalculating benefits and distributing lump sum payments will take time, it's crucial for affected individuals to set up or update their RMI Social Security accounts to stay informed and ensure they don't miss important updates. As the SSA works through this massive undertaking, staying proactive and informed is the best way to make sure you're prepared for the changes ahead. Be sure to subscribe to Financial Area for more updates on this and other financial matters that affect you. Thank you for watching.